Our new elegant drapery design packages are very luxurious. They're designed to dress your windows and not cover them. Behind us, we have one of our Sherman linen collection. Now, what I love about this collection is it is offered in 2 colors. Here's the linen over here, as you can see. And over here, we also have the Sherman Aqua, which is very beautiful. The Sherman linen collection is also offered, of course, with sheers, as you guys see here, or without. What I love about the collections that we put together for you guys is that it also coordinates with the valance, which happens to be the cream color, which is very, as you can tell, beautiful. Over here beside me also, I have the biscuit color to accommodate the Sherman Aqua.
What's so wonderful about our drapery packages is the fact that they come with everything that you ever need to install, and they are very, very easy to install. So I'm going to show you what comes in our drapery packages when you buy it. So this is what comes in the box. The first thing that you will have would be a set of our scrolls. These particular scrolls, as you can see, they are very unique and they are very exquisite. They are embellished with our Swarovski elements. They all have the double wire on the back of them, which is one for the valances, and the second one is for the drapery panels. So you also get, in addition to these, you also will receive our crowns and pair of our beautiful holdbacks. In the box, you also will receive a full-on instructions that will tell you step by step as how to go about putting these up. You get all the color screws, all the accessories necessary, as well as all the mounting brackets. So there are everything that you will need, as well as you also get a life support. If you ever needed anything, you're welcome to schedule a life support, and we can accommodate you with that as well. As to the draperies, by the way, they all come with the wire, as I mentioned to you before, is that all you do is you slip this wire onto them and they are ready to go ahead and be put up. Once you mounted the hardware, it's really as easy as 1, 2, 3, you slip them on there. The other great thing about the panels is our perfect panel feature. This perfect panel feature, as you will see, I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and you will see the drape just hangs as it is on its own without any holdbacks. This is part of our perfect panel features, that it's not only available in our panels, but it's also available in our swags. I'm just going to go ahead and put this right over here, and I'm going to show you the swags. So the swags also comes with a perfect panel, our perfect technology here that we have done, the perfect swag technology. And as you can see, they have the wires on them. And again, all you have to do is just simply put them up. Very, very easy to install.
We always ask, how do I go about ordering your elegant drapery packages? It's very simple. All you have to do, schedule a video call with one of our expert designers. Through the call, you show us your windows, your furniture, your decor, your colors, and we will recommend the best designs, colors, patterns, everything to accommodate the look that you're after.
All of our packages comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and all of our hardware comes with a lifetime warranty. They are very, very easy to install, and as Anad mentioned earlier, the best way to go about ordering these is just go ahead and schedule a video call. Or if you like to go ahead and visit our website, we also have a tab on our website where it's called Complimentary Video Call. You can go ahead and schedule your video call there, or you can just go ahead and simply browse the website, take a look at all the colors, take a look at all the designs, and also the pricing. Everything that you will need will be on our website.
So again, it's very simple. The process is easy. Go ahead and schedule your video call today, and we are looking forward to hearing from you.